Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw meals and entertainment expenses without red flags, full guide step-by-step clip. Start by organizing all your receipts and documentation related to meals and entertainment expenses. Ensure each receipt clearly displays the date, location, and amount of the expense. Document the purpose of each meal or entertainment expense. It should relate to business, networking, or client meetings. Next, categorize your expenses appropriately. Separate meals from entertainment to make reporting clearer. Use a reliable accounting software or spreadsheet to track these expenses. Record the total amount spent for each category regularly. Understand the IRS rules regarding deductibility. Know that meals are typically 50% deductible, while entertainment often has stricter rules. Keep records of attendees present during the meal or event. This documentation supports your claim of legitimacy. If meals are provided as part of an event, note if it primarily benefits employees or clients. Avoid mixing personal expenses with business-related costs. This will help maintain the integrity of your claims. Consider using a company credit card for business meals. This adds a layer of proof to your records. If applicable, familiarize yourself with any specific company policies on expenses. This ensures compliance with both IRS requirements and company guidelines. Always review your expenses before submitting for reimbursement. Look for any potential discrepancies that could raise concerns. Submit your expense report in a timely manner. Delays can lead to scrutiny and increase the risk of red flags. Maintain a consistent record-keeping practice going forward. This will help streamline future reporting and prevent issues. Stay informed about changing tax laws related to meals and entertainment. This knowledge will allow you to adjust your reporting practices accordingly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.